Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For today, I'm going to be doing a ColourPop Grinch makeup look. So ColourPop sent me their Grinch collection. These are all the products. Oh my god, so pretty. I am opening it. This is beautiful. Look at all these gorgeous shades. Wow! I cannot wait to dive into this palette, and the packaging, just like everything, is so pretty and so adorable. You know what? I have used a lot of green for Halloween, so I don't know if I really want to use green for this look and just use this shade, just like a regular nude pink in my crease to start off the whole look. Because I definitely want to use that, and in order to do that I can't use any darker shades first, so I'm going to start off with the lighter shades. And now I'm going to take this more of a pinky peach shade, this one over here, and I'm going to just layer it for an even more pink transition shade. Mano, esse fino verde, me lembra o Grinch, me lembra o Grinch, I'm going to use these two shades right here and just put it in my outer crease. And now for my lids, I'm going to apply this shade. It's very gold and shimmery, and I'm like, do I use the green or do I not? I think what I'm going to do is just do the lighter shimmery green on my lower lash line and then the darker one as a wing. Oh wow, this is so sparkly. Ooh, I think I used a little bit too much. It's like starting to flake on me. At least it's not a guy flaking on me, right? Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the light green. Me lembra o Grinch, você não cola com a minha gang, já disse cê não é meu mano. Tô andando muito chique, mano, 10k só de pano. É que eu não sou sorvete, sua bita me chupando. Lucrando muito esse mês. So now that we're done with that, I'm now going to go in with the darker green and use it as a wing. Now I'm going to do a highlighter, and I'm going to go in with this one. So pretty, right? Oh my god. Oh my god, so much glitter, and I'm so excited right now. So I have like this liner and this lipstick, so I think I'm going to do that, the lipstick, and then I want to go in with a gloss on top, just like on the center of the lip. How do I, wait, oh my gosh, that's so cool. So you like, it's at the end here, and you just, that's how the product comes up. That is so cool. Wow, I love that. Now I'm going to go in with my lashes, because we need lashes here. And now I'm really excited for this. I'm also putting this little highlighter on my nose. And I think that is pretty much it for this Grinch makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thank you again, ColourPop, for sending me this entire Grinch collection. It's stunning. I love how all the products work together and the formula of each one. It's so soft and just like so glittery, blends so easily. I love ColourPop so much. I love their product formulation. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and follow me on all my social media, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, fANNE-atics. Blah.